If you didn't see the perfection in the defense cross-examination today by attorney Alan Jackson, then you have missed attorney gold. Cross-examination gold. I cannot say with confidence that there was anything better than that. It has been a day. As predicted, today is May the 9th of 2025. And then we learn that Chloe is now Cora. Really? Well, I'll tell you what, as this unfolds, we continue to. As the day unfolded with this Sergeant Yuri Bukhenik on the stand, he was dissected by attorney AJ. And I'm going to tell you what, it was pleasant and painful to watch at the same time. He not only read the text between Karen and Higgy Baby, but I couldn't help but chuckle. And forgive me, it really wasn't funny, but I had to chuckle because he seemed to be getting into it and putting emotion into the reading. I mean, right? So, my darlings, we are here today, again, Friday, May the 9th, 2025. I am Lady Zelda. We are here seeing crime. And we saw also a video, I'm positive, that was supplied by Microdots. And you can go on and watch that. It has now been posted on YouTube. Go over and check him out. We all know Microdots. We all know Richie. And I'll tell you what, he has been a golden asset to the defense and what he has done and provided. I will also tell you this. Do you remember the video that Karen is backing out of One Meadows Ave, John's house? She backs into John's Traverse, and then she's pulling in front. She just takes this car, her SUV, and pulls in front of the garage. At one point, her tail light looks as though it has got some white on it. Now, I'm positive that's what the prosecution is hanging their little hats on and saying that it was not cracked but broken at that point. Now, that was after. That was in the morning. And I submit to you, that was close to, I'm not certain, but wasn't that close to the time where Jennifer McCabe was making her 5:07 a.m. call to her sister Coco? Anyway, I digress. Digress, whatever it is, I do it. Because my point is, when she was driving her SUV toward the end of the driveway, coming this way, and this is John's garage door, the light above the garage door reflects on the tail light. I want you to go to that video and I want you to slow it down, like bit by bit, like not half speed, quarter speed, a tenth of the speed. Go through there and watch how that light from above the garage door reflects on that tail light. And you'll see the same thing that I did. But right now, this was a big day. May is going to be a big month. Yesterday, we saw that there was going to be more that we heard in discovery. Yes. Now, I'm not meaning, when I said that, I did not mean that there was more discovery coming because that day is over. What I'm meaning is we are going to see the additional discovery of what was found since trial 1, and now we are in trial 2. This is amazing. And Yuri was almost, I think, compelled to tell the truth. Isn't that interesting? Okay, so as we go here, I have some cards on the table for you. We have the Kipper deck. We have, oh, are you even in frame? No, you're not. We have the Piotnik deck. We have What Lies Beneath, and we have a combination Cartomancy and House of Zelda cards. We're going to have some answers just with these cards alone. In the meantime, darlings, tell me, what now is in the cloth? What now? I'm going to tell you what. I want you to join me Saturday night, May 10th at 7 p.m. Eastern, because you saw just one and maybe two clips of the EVPs that I was running 2 nights ago, maybe 3 nights ago now, as I was doing some readings. Those words were all in today's proceedings, every one, and I will be posting those clips in my live. I sat here and could not believe what I saw and heard. Here we go. We're going to get started. So what lies beneath? Let's take this out first. What lies beneath? You may hear some noise in the background. It's Friday. We're here. I grabbed my cards. The case is over for today. Testimony is over for today. Court has recessed. We'll be back Monday at 10 a.m. And we're going to be thinking about this all weekend, aren't we? All right, so we want to know, spirits, guides, angels, what really lies beneath this? Here we are. Anger management. We saw that definitely in that waterfall video, didn't we? That's frightening. Setting the record straight. AJ certainly is. I want to share something with you, my darlings. If you go and look at Microdot's Richie's video, there are 2 freeze frames in that video. You can see evil personified in the 2 freeze frames. One is with Higgy and one is with Brian Albert. And I even pointed that out to Richie. And yeah, he was amazed by that as well. Copycat. Yeah, there's something here. We keep getting that. And a fake apology. I can see that also coming too. We're going to put these to the side. Up here, out of the way. Copycat. I would like to clarify the copycat, and we will in a minute. Let me arrange these so you can see these a lot better. I've changed my lighting a bit. We'll see how that works out. All right. Kipper. I happen to love these cards. But the point is, do they love me? I think so. I hope so. Occupation, very interesting. But look at the number on there, my darlings. Number 34. Oh, yeah. Setting the record straight. I want you to all be watchmen. Keep watch now. Now is coming the time where we may hear some distress about someone. Please do not put it into the comments. I don't like to predict that type of thing. It is not Mr. Reed. It is not Mr. O'Keefe. It is message of concern. We've been getting that too. Isn't that amazing? Distant horizons. So this is telling me we've got a little bit to go yet. Because the annihilation by AJ is not really quite complete. But this weekend, coming into this weekend, I'm going to tell you, these witnesses for the Commonwealth are starting to wipe out the back of their pants. Is that fair to say? I think so. Because today's proceeding is definitely a message of concern. It's more than a message of concern. It is pretty bad. That's saying it mildly. I want to draw two more. Poverty. Yep. The Commonwealth is going into this pretty bad. AJ set the record straight today on many, many things. I'm loving that. And now I'm going to tell you Higgins and Brian Albert, Jennifer McCabe are holding their breath. And I'm going to tell you one more is Matt McCabe as well, in my opinion. The child card, Monday starts a brand new beginning. Monday will start brand new cross-examination because AJ is not done yet. And I can see this maybe going for at least another day. They've got a lot of ground to cover. Okay, so here's what I want to do. We've got the Cartomancy House of Zelda. I'm going to move these little fellows. I want to qualify and clarify that copycat card. Quali, and copy. What did I just say? Quali and clarify. Quali and clarify. Been a long day, my darlings. I was thinking about what to make for dinner. It may be a DoorDash day. Not sure. All right, here we are. Okay. We need one more. This young man, please don't put it in the comments. This young man is for the most part staying very far away from this proceedings. He may be called. I'm pretty sure he will be. The copycat, I believe, is him trying to be a tough guy like his uncle. That gives you a hint. That's my opinion only. And just remember, I'm not a lawyer. I'm not law enforcement. I am not any of those experts, regardless of what you hear. But what I will tell you is that I am here for entertainment purposes only. We just get entertained by the cards. It helps us keep ourselves in check, right? Yeah, right. All right. One more card on top of this copycat. To clarify, wealth and abundance. Oh, yeah. Take another one. A burning desire. All of this means on top of this copycat is that this started a long time ago with this person. And I feel that, let me preface it with this. Each person that is involved in this, perhaps not in a good way, has a hidden agenda and had a hidden agenda towards John. This person had their own agenda. And I think when the deed was going down, there was a burning desire to remain and keep involved because he felt that it could be swept under the carpet. But I want you to also, I want to point some things out. Anyone who feels and thinks that way does not understand that there is a reckoning after you leave this earthly plane. And it makes me wonder, it makes me think, what type of value belief system have they been taught, or do they know? Because I'm going to tell you, when when the Shaisala comes down, and it will start rolling downhill. It started today. You're going to see this fake apology starting to arise. And I'm going to tell you, I'm going to give you my opinion. I do not believe that it will be an apology that is deserved. I believe that it will be only an apology because they got caught. And they're sorry that they got caught. By the way, my darlings, May 14th is going to be a significant day again. Mark your calendars. I believe that's next Wednesday. Whatever day of the week it is, May 14th will be significant. A wolf in sheep's clothing. So it's that person who is pretending to be a good guy. I like to call it shedding the sheep. When you shed the sheep, you see how they really are. A change of direction is about to come, my darling, and look at this, the Four of Clubs in bed with the devil. Overlooked evidence? I don't think it's overlooked evidence. I believe that it's evidence that we have not been able to see. That's what's coming out. That's now what I'm seeing as of today. The Ten of Clubs is considered to be a true lumping, a true mound of evidence. Oh, it's getting good, my darlings. It's getting good. Quite frankly, I do not see how the CW can recover unless they would have ring footage that has not been doctored that shows Karen backing up, doing the impossible, by the way, of backing up, running over John O'Keefe, and leaving him pirouetting through this snow that the meteorologist said was not enough to track a cat, mainly at that particular time. Then they may have something, but they don't have anything. They don't have it. And the jurors, this right here, represents a group of people that are younger. Well, that's our jury. I say that like that because it comes out weird on the video sometime, but that's our jury. Everyone is feeling the loss, but there's another loss. I'm just going to leave it that way. And look at who we have again. The kitty with unexpected news. That is also coming around the bend as well. Boy, oh boy. Look at the desire of the woman looking out the window. I do not believe that we are done with Jennifer McCabe yet. We certainly are not done with the 227. And I believe she will be visiting the courtroom. There will be a lot more come out for her. And believe me, this is all hope. You know, it's amazing here that all of this is female, all of this except for this gentleman here. But the hope, the ship, the information is getting ready to come in, my darlings. And look at this, anchoring. This is the defense, anchoring in, digging in, making sure everything will be coming out in a brilliant way, just like AJ. Yuri, I felt, thought he was going to manipulate him a little bit. Didn't you think that? I certainly did. Marriage. I'm going to tell you something. Higgy was marriage-minded when he met Karen. And that is why that kind of came up. And that's why she said, I'll never, ever, there never will be. Because I know that she loved those kids. And I don't want anybody to take that wrong. It's just that it's very hard when you're trying to fit into a blended family and the kids love you. And she did right by them, every stretch of the imagination. It's very sad what happened there. But I saw the O'Keefes et al. Sitting on their side. And after all of this, I saw their faces. They were not gleefully jumping up and down today, this afternoon. This merriment was the card that basically represented Higgy wanting Karen to spend time with him, go out with him, maybe go to the beach with him, all of these different things. There's a fortune, a plethora of more information getting ready to come out. And this visit from Karen with Higgy, she was uncomfortable and left. So, my darlings, there's more to come. There is more to come. I know the jury is seeing this. And there is John. First and foremost in the reading, there is John. Unexpected income of information. Another card to round it all out. And that is AJ. How beautiful is that to end the reading with AJ, the brilliance, the wonderful dissection of today. In the meantime, I would like, if you would all do me a favor, please hit that like button. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And please join me Saturday night, May 10th at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Go get hydrated. Watch some good things. Watch something funny tonight. Relax. May the 4th be with you. No, I'm sorry. It's not the 4th, is it? And tonight, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be singing because I cannot get this song out of my head. And the song is, I'm not Chloe. My name is Cora. Chloe left you years ago. That's right. Poor Chloe. It's funny, but it's not funny, but it's extremely sad. Poor Chloe. She only did what she was told to do. We're going to find out more. Join me. And I will see you all very soon. Free Karen, justice for John, and justice for the whole families. They deserve it.